Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your Redmi 12 is connected to the internet. You need an active Wi-Fi or mobile data link. Once done, go straight to Settings, tap Connection and Sharing, then Private DNS. You're using Private DNS because it applies system-wide and is simple, no per-network fiddling. Enter the DNS provider hostname you want. This lets your phone use DNS over TLS for privacy and consistency. Make sure you type the hostname exactly, and then tap Save to proceed. Next, pick whether you want system-wide private DNS or a Wi-Fi specific DNS. If you choose private DNS, select Configure and paste your provider's TLS hostname. This secures lookups and reduces spoofing. If you prefer per network settings, long press the Wi-Fi network, tap Modify, expand Advanced, change IP settings if needed, and set DNS1 and DNS2. You do the latter when only one network needs custom DNS. Either way, save settings and allow a moment for the. Finally, verify the change. Open a browser and visit a few sites, or run a DNS test app to confirm the resolver. If pages fail to load, don't panic. Switch private DNS back to automatic or remove the custom hostname and retry. Some networks block DNS over TLS. Also, restart Wi-Fi or reboot the phone to clear caches and force new DNS sessions. If you still have issues, try a different known host name. Often one change restores connectivity while preserving privacy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.